Kilala nyo ba si Polo Ravales at Pauline Kisa? Finally, ikinasal na nga ang dalawa after a long time. Nakakatuwa lamang dahil si Polo Ravales ay isa sa mga TGIS brothers noon, kasamahan ni na Dingdong Dantes at syempre si Dino Guevara, mga sikat na artista noong 90s. Congratulations and best wishes! Polo Ravales at Pauline Kisa finally nagpakasal na nga at ginulat din ang kanilang mga tagahanga dahil nga matagal na nga silang nagsasama at mag-partner at may mga anak na rin nga ang dalawa. Ngayon ay matagumpay na nakapagpakasal ang dalawa at very solemn at talagang genuine ang pagmamahalan. Kaya natin ang napaka-intimate wedding celebration ng mag-asawa, at kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Sa kasal nga nitong si Polo Ravales ay hindi pwedeng mawala ang kanyang brothers sa TGIS na si Dingdong Dantes at ito ang si Dino Guevara. Nakakatuwa lamang dahil nagbabalik ang batang 90s. Ibinahagi nga ni Polo at Pauline Kisa ang kanilang kasalan. Sabi nga dito ni Pauline Kisa, "Still not over how beautiful a man floors made our intimate wedding feel. Mother J, you truly brought our vision to life in the most elegant and heartfelt way. Every detail felt intentional, from the candlelit tablescapes, the fresh flowers, the dramatic drapes, down to the beautiful touches of purple lilies that made everything feel so personal to me. It felt romantic, timeless, intimate, and exactly how we dreamed it would be. More than the beautiful styling, one thing Paul and I realized throughout this wedding is that every supplier God sent us was truly an answered prayer and a gift from Him. Thank you for creating a space that didn't just look beautiful but felt beautiful, filled with love, warmth, and God's grace in every detail. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ang mag-asawa sa lahat ng mga nag-prepare at tumulong sa kanilang wedding. Some people coordinate weddings, but Day One Project PH gave us peace, heart, and a team that truly cared for us beyond the event itself. To Angela and the whole Day One Project team, thank you for making our wedding feel so smooth, beautiful, personal, and full of love. Every detail, every timeline, every moment was handled with so much grace and care. Angela has been my friend since high school, so having her beside us during one of the most important days of our lives made everything even more meaningful. And the fact that we pulled everything together in just 2 months still amazes me. Thank you for being there every step of this preparation and for connecting us to amazing suppliers who truly became part of our answered prayers. We are forever grateful to you and your team for making our wedding day so unforgettable. Marami nga rin na nagpadala ng congratulatory message para sa mag-asawa para sa successful wedding day nila. Mula sa nag-ayos at kanilang mga talagang supplier na talagang tumulong sa kanila, Candlelit Elegance Monochrome Texture Lash Foliage and Golden Glows, a refined and intimate setting made for Paula and Pauline's love story. Congratulations and best wishes. Mula yan sa isa sa mga styling event nila. Mula naman sa nice print photo, same day edit of Polo Ravales and Pauline Pisa. Congratulations! Wala naman kay Paulo Ravales, sabi niya, as men, we don't always talk about self-care or preparing for moments like this. But getting married made me appreciate how important it is feel confident and at your best too. Kaya naman talaga namang pinaghanda ang mabuti ni Paulo Ravales ang kanyang kasalan dahil pinaka-espesyal na araw ito para sa kanilang mag-asawa. Truly grateful for all the care, support, and confidence. Nagpasalamat nga rin si Pauline Kisa sa isa sa mga supplier nila to our amazing Tap Bar team. One thing Paul and I really wanted for our wedding was for people to feel relaxed, happy, connected, and truly enjoy the night. And you guys became such a beautiful part of the experience. We especially loved how you created a signature cocktail just for us called Perfect Timing, inspired by our favorite flavors and the story God has written for our lives. It honestly made everything feel even more personal and meaningful. From the cocktails to the setup to the energy your team brought, everything felt so fun, classy, and memorable. Our guests genuinely loved it so much. Odi and Cha, thank you for blessing our wedding with your service and generosity. Every supplier God sent us felt like an answered prayer, and we truly believe you were part of that. So grateful to celebrate one of the important days of our lives with you. Thank you for helping create such beautiful memories for us and our guests.